Hello guys, and welcome into a new installation video. This time I will have to do it. I postponed this procedure as long as I could, but now it's time. The installation of the most affordable and one of the best quality LEDs you can buy out there, produced by the Hikari LED company, the LUXSTER HolyKnight LEDs. As I used to so far, this will be the H7 fitting. I will put them on the low beams since one of my Osram Night Breaker, so-called 220, went out after less than 6 months. I will take this opportunity to install one of the best LEDs for the money, especially right now, since we are one day before Easter. You can buy a pair of these LEDs for only $25.58, $25 and 58 cents. Depending on which part of the world you are, you will have some customs and shipping, let's say extra costs, but it will be nothing because they are calculated in relation to the overall cost of the product. So this is how they look. I will try to show you the best that I can. We see right here they can be, of course, taken out, the socket. It is really well placed here. It has an red O-ring, just like the ones, the high quality ones we can find in the adapters sold by Hikari. So in case you have other car brands that require such an adapter, make sure to purchase those adapters from Hikari. Also, we see a small attachment on the wires. So this will, it has here the LUXSTER brand. It will assure basically the overall compatibility with any car out there. Also, we have a plus and minus. These LEDs are 30,000 lumens rated for the entire set, so 15,000 lumens each. An amazing brightness for the money. Again, 26, 25 US dollars. It's amazing. It is less expensive than a pair of maximum performance halogens, and trust me, the quality and the brightness cannot be compared to a halogen. Right here we have the cooling fan, the active cooling fan. So 30,000 lumens and 55 watts. These have the exact same power consumption as a halogen, so therefore you will not have any flickering issues. Other than that, we see this copper thread right here, especially for heat dissipation. The overall alloy body and the cables, which are really thick. But the small dimensions of this harness, this attachment, will make the installation really easy. So this is about it. The box is really, again, very high quality. It is shipped really well, so you can rest assured you won't have any issues from this aspect. Let's install them and see how the entire process will go. The burnt halogen is this one. Here it is. You can see right there the filament, the wire detached from where it was. It burnt out, and it also made an orifice in the glass. Yeah. So much for the halogens. This one still works, but is very dim and yellowish. Okay, first I will attach them and see if they work. I will not install them there. So that one is in. Let's just see fast if it turns on. Okay, so it's on. Perfect. And the other one. I'm trying to see if these French engineers wrote the polarities, but no, they are nowhere to be found. This and that. Let's see if this one works. That one works also perfect. Now is the tricky part. Let's position them perfectly straight. 6 o'clock, right here, the wires down, and the notch exactly how you have it. The wires need to be down at 6 o'clock, and the, of course, diodes at 9 and 3 o'clock. Okay. This one is in. Let's put the wires in also. Yeah, they are really easy to install and to fit in. Just it needs to be a bit adjusted. Should be okay. All good. And this one is usually harder to place. So it is in, but unfortunately this one doesn't snap into place as well as the other. It moves a bit because, as I told you in the past, a guy from the Renault dealership here didn't know how to install it, and he messed something there. He broke it a bit. But yeah, it looks okay. So this is how they basically look, despite the really tight space and very narrow and thin rubber caps for the dust and moisture I have on my Clio 3. They will fit in really easy. Okay, so this is the cap.